Hey people, Gary here from myDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on with our Clickbank case study using my lead gen secrets. Okay, so as you can see here, have not gotten a sale. That's okay. Very simple to focus on, but don't focus on that. Let's get back up here and go to marketplace. Just follow the strategy. We know it works, so keep on doing it. All right, so we go with this product here. You Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, so on and so forth, right? So we go to the affiliate page. We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna go to short ads. We're gonna use one of these short ads. $8.40 a week, come in on YouTube. So we're just gonna use that one. Posting photos on Instagram. Go with that. Let's just get this one here. We ain't even gonna change anything. We're just gonna go with that. Right, so we're gonna go to my lead gen secret. Let me log in here. Log in first. All right, so we go here, we go to mailing system, right? And we click on select all. Very simple to do. Been doing this for a while now. It's very simple, easy, quick, right? We do the same thing we've been doing over and over again. You guys getting results. You're probably getting better results than me. Could be, you know. But I tell you, this works. Do that right there. Most people. Click here to apply. Clearly. Really, I'm gonna hit social page here. All right, so we'll grab it like this, bold, italicize it. We'll bold this. That looks pretty good. All right, we'll go with that. All right, that looks pretty good. Join it up, broke it up a little bit. That looks solid. All right, so we'll go here. We'll click on promote, get our affiliate link. As you can see, click on that like that, get the link. Then we'll go to click here to apply. Then we'll just put in my lead gen secrets link. Just that simple, guys. And then you hit preview. Make sure the link works. It works, right? All there is to it. And make sure to click on perfect timing as well. Then you send your email. The reason why we click on perfect timing is because what perfect timing does is send an email around the time people usually check their email. So very important to click on perfect timing. So we just sent our email there. Now, if you got multiple accounts, this is what you do. You make another tab for my lead gen secrets here, and then you log out on that tab, right? Then you come in, you log into your next account. Pretty much do the same thing you did before. But all you have to do at this point is copy and paste, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Right. Do the same thing here. Copy paste. Then change this. Recognize if this is the account that gets the sale. And then you send the email. Simple as that. Easy. You just do that for every account you have. Right? So they go to the next account. Do the same thing. Log out. Log in. Do the same exact thing here. Change this to that simple. Send the email just that quick, guys. We got it done really fast. You notice that? Simple. It is that simple. Every day, get about 5 minutes out your day. That took me around 7 minutes. And I had to edit this all I was really doing was just breaking that up a little bit to make it look a little more presentable. Other than that, you know, simple as that. That's all it takes, guys. And you just send an email. You don't have to do all that breaking up I did. The thing is, what I was thinking, like, I think it looked better if I do this, but you could just send it the way it was if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you send something every day. That's the most important part. Do this every day. Don't worry about how the email looks or whatever. Send emails every day. All right. But that's all there is to it, guys. It's that simple. And now we're gonna that's it. We're done. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.